Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to clear system data or other storage on a Mac. So let's start it. First, go to the Apple menu and select about this Mac. Then click on storage. First, the storage is just generally split on used and not used. Then after a while, it starts to divide up in sections. When it does that, look at the system storage. It's over 85 GB in my case. Now what you are going to do is open the library folder. The easiest way to get into the user library folder is to use the Go menu. Here I can see it. If you don't have it there, hold the Option key down on your keyboard and the library will appear. Now just switch it to a list view. If you don't see the file size here, press Command plus J key to open this view settings. Click Calculate All Sizes, and you will be able to see the file sizes now. Caches files are temporary files created by the applications. You can delete this. As you can see, these are very small files here mostly. These are used as caches files to speed things up, but it can also be some old recordings, Final Cut projects, photo library, or even some leftovers from apps you don't use anymore. Well, this is different for everyone. You will have to manually find out what is taking the space here and delete it. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing for more informative content, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching.